The Federal Reserve has hiked interest rates by 50 basis points this week, which is 0.5% from 4 to 4.5%, and they are expecting the terminal rate to rise to 5.1% next year, is what the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell has given a hint about. If we see here, it rose from 4 up to 4.5% now, the Fed's funds rate, which is the central bank interest rate of the US. Inflation came out this week, the CPI of US. This interest rate decision followed the fact that the inflation came out at 7.1, which was lower than expected from 7.7 last month. So it did drop quite significantly. It was much lower predictions than the 7.4 to 7.6 roughly that was expected. We can see how the dollar reacted. It did dump down after the CPI inflation, but then after the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision, and then the Bank of England's and the European Central Bank's decision to raise rates, it has now started to pump up a little bit, and the markets are suffering. As you can see, all the stock markets were selling off -3% nearly across the board, from the S&P all the way down to the Dow Jones.